the RCA. Oops. One more tattoo machine. I have no idea how many tattoo machines I have already, but this all machine is so cute, so nice, and I want to work with each one. And some machines I love and work once or 2 times a week for sure. Some machines I work 2-3 times and put in the box. There are no perfect machine. For every artist it will be not the same pleasure from the same machine. So today I have first time I have this brand machine, but maybe not so first, because it's the same brand as XNet. For sure you saw my reviews for XNet tattoo machines, and I was really happy with these machines. It's good quality, it's powerful machines. Not every machine is small and comfortable, but it always power, it always precision and long life battery. If this machine the same good, we'll see. In the box I have one battery only pack. And with this machine it's very important because of course I already I made few tattoos with this machine, and only issue to this machine is the battery, because I'm not sure it will be enough for 7-8 hours tattoo session. For me it's not problem, because I'm working fast. My tattoo session lasts, I think, 3-4 hours it's maximum, but there are artists who works, 8 hours, 10 hours even. It's better order 2 batteries. Very specific. It's not bad, but very specific. I think my dogs will not love this machine, because when I started it sounded like, you know what I mean? It sounds like, you know what I mean? Ultra sound or something like that. At this moment it's the end of issues. In other things it's really good tattoo machine, good quality, very good balanced. It's not shortest tattoo machine in the world, but not the biggest, and really comfortable. This pleasure heavy. Of course, my favorite clickable mechanism. It's not adjustable, and I'm very happy of that. And look at the screen, how many colors, wow. One button only for turn on and turn off, that's all. And I'm not sure it will be comfortable and good for every artist, because I don't use different voltages during tattooing, and most of my tattoos I do on the same voltage from the beginning to the end. But here, if you want to change the voltage, you must use this touch screen. Movement like that, you change 0.1 volt, and if you press here, not slide, just press, it will be 1 volt. Is it comfortable? When you have no gloves, when you have not wrapped tattoo machine, it works perfect. How it works with wrap and gloves, I think you understand. If you don't change the voltage very often during the work, it's not problem. I had very similar tattoo machine, a screen, touch buttons. It was Bronc. It was really good machine, but I was tired because of this touching. You touch, and nothing happens. So it depends of you. From the box you have tattoo machine with 3.8 millimeter stroke. It's not usual stroke. I don't know why exact 3.8, and in the box you have 3.4. O-ring, some stuff, USB cable for charging, and RCA, and of course RCA connector, which you can change easily, and then you have really cute short tattoo machine if you like cables. I hate cables, that's why I never use this. For me it's better longer machine but without any cords. 10 volts, it's really quiet, except this start sound. When you just start, you hear this irritation sound. Okay, vibration test. 10 volts. Just a little, not so much. You see. Not the best, but not the worst. On display we have voltage, hertz, time of tattooing, and charging. Memory slots, this color, something. If you push, it change. You see, that's what I'm talking about. Touch screen, it sounds cool, but on real life it's not so really cool. So if you work the same voltage during all tattoo, it's really good tattoo machine. So, you know, I do honest review only, and I saying what I feel, what experience I had. And the charging time is 2-3 hours, and as I said, I don't think it will be enough for 8 hours as it written on website. But in general, it's really comfortable. For sure it looks nice. I love this matte black and gold. It looks really rich, and you feel it very quality, very good assembled, good powerful punch. 3.8. It's almost my favorite 4.0, but I feel no difference. Even I thought that it's 4.0 or 4.2. It works good, looks good, some issues to screen and battery, and in general it's a really good tattoo machine. Links in description, under video, click, check, order. See you next time.
I was found here. Bye.